There is an old white horse living on that farm, and sometimes when I drive by I open the window and I yell as loud as I can, "Pozdrawiam cię, biały koniu!" which means I'm greeting you, white horse. And sometimes the horse hears me and moves its head, and when it does, I consider this a blessing for that particular day. Okay? Okay. Thank you. We are riding together again. This is our second ride together, and I thank you very much for joining me, because it's a beautiful day and it is December. One thing that has happened to me after I moved to the country is that I realized that just like people in the city, they have names for various streets and intersections. Here in the country, people for centuries refer to various formations of the landscape, be it a hill, a big tree, a bend in the road, by old-fashioned names. Sometimes these names don't appear on the map, and officially these names don't exist, but local people know. Another small town with old magnificent buildings, courthouses. This area was really booming and quite impressive 200 years ago, in the era of steamboats, because water is everywhere and the only way to carry grain and goods from Virginia to Maryland was by water across Chesapeake Bay. Steamboats were in great esteem, and a lot of these small villages around here, there used to be steamboat landings. Here is the little village that I want to show you. This is magnificent Reedville. It's a at least 300-year-old fishing village with magnificent homes. This town is very sleepy right now, not much is going on. But in summertime it's full of people coming here to fish, sail, eat crabs. It's a waterfront town. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. And it's a very famous seafood restaurant called Crazy Crab. I like this place, especially in summertime. I come here on my bike and ride around, stop by, have something to eat. But this is a beautiful small town in Virginia, full of old-fashioned secrets, families that have been living here for many generations, and I'm lucky enough to know many of these families. Not many people know that in this little house there used to be a doctor before World War II, 3 generations ago. This gentleman is 91 years old, and he just helped me to take the footage of me passing by back and forth. And I am telling him 91, and he is in such great spirit. Thank you very much, sir.
The good Lord.
And pray, good Lord is with you.
Look at my wife's been passed away 13 years.
13 years alone now.
We was married. If she was still living, we would be married 80-some years.
I have been married 28 years,
Okay.
and I find it very difficult.
Why?
I don't know.
Well,
You tell me.
Well, when you
What is the secret? What is the secret of good marriage?
make him marriage vow, you got to stick to it.
Exactly. That's what I do it too. That's what I do it too. But these days it looks like marriages are falling apart, and I know why. It's not easy.
No children.
I have 4 children.
4 children.
Magnificent.
Heck,
Yeah.
you ought to be happy.
You got to be happy
3 boys.
and appreciate it.
Supposed to have been a girl, but it was a boy.
Well, you know.
You know.
Yes. But anyways, thank you very much, sir. All the best. So this is what I meant by local old-timers. This gentleman is 91 years old, and he is working in his own store, and I just pulled to the side. I have never met him, and I told him, hey, can you take the camera and just shoot me riding by, waving to you? No problem, and enjoyed it. We gave each other a hug. You got to really like it. You got to like it. Now I'm home, almost home. This was a short ride, 60 miles total, and I hope I will see you on the second motovlog. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I appreciate your presence. Thank you very much for listening to me, bearing with me. Enjoy your life and be happy. All the best.